Alright, I'm back with some more of these set up on the shelves. Get the originals here and there, sitting out around there, modern versions. Cybertronian Seekers. Yeah, I went ahead and broke down and got the Earthrise, Thundercracker, and Skywarp. So I have a whole set of normal Seekers. Working on season 4 and 5 still over here. So I'm setting them in this pile. Went ahead and took most of them down from up here. So I am going to change this on top. Just bought that. Noticed it went up in price. Big Bad Toy Store had one in stock, just randomly. But it's a little smashed. Thought about opening it anyways. That'll be a full small version of Prime with a trailer to go up here. These little core versions. So I'll revisit this shelf. The original Mega Supreme. I do have the remake too. I don't have it out. Actually, I never unboxed it. So we're going to do the Minibots this video instead of unboxing the third box. I have too much stuff out. I have to change my shelf some more. Still waiting on 86 Blaster, which is really just this guy. And recently got a Warpath. I bought these two together. I was wanting this guy, but I already have a mint and sealed box Warpath. So one or the other may go up for sale. The open one or sealed one. So maybe. And got the new Superion Silverbolt. Saw him stocked at Target the other day. Two of them. Just need the last two guys. So let's do him and Minibots. There's the Combiner Wars, which is probably one of the better combiners out of that line. I can live with it. I'm not opening mine. Everybody else is opening theirs to display. I'm cool with that. So I'll have one open. I'll dig the original out. I don't think I'm going to set them on this shelf. I'll find a good shelf for Superion. Ooh, right here. It's one that lights up. Come back and have them all there maybe. Let's see how it fits. So maybe I can do the box and stack the other two boxes and then do the modern and original that I have opened. That'll be a nice shelf. Alright, Minibots. Willie, Beachcomber, Powerglide, Cosmos, and Warpath. There's the Deluxe Kingdom Warpath. Sea Spray. Oh man, I have a whole Soundwave in here. Okay. My open original Soundwave, which is in good shape too. It's a rub sun. Remember last video I showed y'all my pre-rub sun Soundwave? Alright, phone's dinging. I have to end this video. I'm just gonna unbox these. Okay, this is all the tapes. Nice. Some of the gold weapons on a couple of these. Oh wow. Okay, we got a mixture. I forgot I had an open set of those Walmart reissues. That's definitely one. That is way too shiny and stiff. Separate those. They shouldn't even be together. It's almost a sin. Right, these are original. It's my original rub sun. Ravage. Definitely goes with him. Rat Bat. And I do have his ears, I hope, still. Oh yeah. Even 20 years ago when I started collecting these, he was hard to find with those ears still intact. Uh-oh. Alright. They look a little too crispy. Those are the remakes. So I have 4 of those. It's going to be those 2 and then a Ravage. There they are. These are the Walmart remakes. The rest of this is original. All these are original. Here's the original Rumble and Frenzy. This is original Laser Beat. I'm pretty sure I have the Toy Hacks. Oh, I remember what they used to be called. It used to be called a Repro label. Reproduction labels. That company. So I may have put new ones on this guy. Shoot. Maybe all of them. Too clean. They are original figures in great shape. He's original stickers too. I don't remember him. Steel Jaw, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so that doesn't seem to be all the Minibots. I must have another box somewhere. Here's the Walmart reissues come out a few years back. That would be these 2. So I had bought a set and somebody gifted me a set. So I had 2 sets. I do have the reissue Soundwave that it came with. I think I showed that on the very first video. Went ahead and boxed him away a little better. Stored him away. Let me sell those soon. Well, I'll do the top layer. See what's on top. We'll continue on the next one. More Soundwave stuff. T-shirt I didn't even want to wear. It's a little tight for me anyways. I like that picture though. Yes, sir. Dinobots. Alright, that's what we're going to be looking forward to. Alright, so let me work on something till the next video. I'm still missing my Grimlock from Studio Series, where everybody else bought one. I've got the new one reissued, but I'm so particular. I want the old boxed one that says 86 with the number on it to match my collection. So I'm trying to wait till the new one comes out and hope the older ones go down a little bit on eBay and get one about $100 instead of 150 or more. They were 200 or 300 there for a minute. Dinobots and Blaster. It'd be nice if he comes out soon. My 86 studio series would be finished. Sneak a video of that in. Alright, these shelves may be different. Alright, peace to the next one.